Okay, got the whole gang. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out today. We are going to take you on about a 25-30 minute ride. When we're out on the ride, if you would please ride at a pace that you are comfortable with. Keep a safe distance between one another. No wheelies, no stoppies, no slingshotting, no weaving all over the place. If the guys see behavior like that, they'll have words with you.
Here we are. I get to try the KTM 890 Adventure. It is set on the low saddle mode because I got short legs. I do ride a CRF 1000L Africa Twin 2019 tall bike with a low saddle. I'm 5'6" and 29 inseam, so but that works for me. I get used to it. Alright, so neutral gear. Shift is a little different. Engine feels different. It's really hot and humid here in Austin, and finally got a bit of breeze. My helmet is fogging up already. These roads have a lot of bumps, and already I can tell, compared to my Africa Twin, that the suspensions are much more rigid. Alright, standing up feels pretty comfortable. Although my arms are a little extended. It's got a nice acceleration. With this kind of humidity, the helmet is good as long as I'm moving. I have an RI XD4. It's a great helmet, but frankly, for $700, they should have definitely put a pinhole. On the dashboard, the turning signal, I don't know if you can see it, but it gives you both directions flashing, so you have to kind of look at the turning signal itself to know if you have the right one or the left one. Alright, it's got some power. That's kind of nice. I like to keep my distance. Ooh, bumps. That's one of the problems with the land around here. It's very soft, very permeable. And racetrack is 7 or 8 years old and already needs to be repaved. There's so many holes and bumps, and some MotoGP riders were complaining about it yesterday. So imagine what it's like on a regular road. Gear doesn't have too much of a oomph. Third and fourth, they have great acceleration. Fifth really loses it.